Don't throw away your tea bags. Here are 12 things you can do instead. Who does not like to have a cup of hot tea during a cold day? This super healthy drink can reduce stress. Most people throw the tea bag immediately after steeping without knowing that they have many purposes and can be used in different ways. Here are 12 excellent ways in which you can use them. 1. Keep hands smelling fresh. Meals that include spices, garlic, fish, or crabs can leave a strong smell on your hands. So, you can rub them with a moist tea in order to absorb the scent and leave them smelling fresh. To obtain the best results, make sure to use tea bags with stronger scents, like peppermint. 2. Compost them. To deter pests and nurture the soil with nutrients, compost tea bags or water the plants with a brew made from the leftover tea. You can use tea bags by your choice. 3. Quick mouthwash. To make your breath fresher, soak an old tea bag in warm water and use it as a mouthwash. It is recommended to use sage and rosemary tea bags or unused peppermint and spearmint tea bags. 4. Treat infections. To treat fever blisters, pink eye, canker sores, and topical afflictions, just apply warm used tea bags on the affected area. You can use tea by your choice, but keep in mind that herbal teas have potent anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. 5. Eliminate bad smells. Tea leaves can effectively absorb odors, so they are ideal for eliminating the bad smell from the fridge, kitty litter, trash can, carpet, etc. 6. Soothe razor burn. To soothe the skin and diminish the rash, you should moisten up a few tea bags with warm water and apply them as a compress on the razor burn. It is recommended to use herbs like lavender and chamomile tea bags. 7. Hair rinse. You can use old tea bags to soften your hair, rejuvenate it, and get a brand new shine. You should prepare a weak tea and use it to rinse your hair after shampooing the hair. Use tea by your choice. 8. A portable custom air freshener. Tea bag can be used as an air freshener. Just tie a tea bag in the car. You can also add a few drops of some essential oil and hang it up to get a natural air freshener. It is recommended to use lavender, jasmine, or mint tea bags. 9. Prevent grease from sticking to your dishes. The used tea bags can eliminate the grease and burned on foods from the pots and dishes. You should soak a few tea bags in the dish, and rinse in the morning. 10. Enrich your tub. Leave the tea bag soak in the bath or just leave the bath water run over the used tea bag. It is recommended to use green, jasmine, rosemary, lavender, chamomile, calendula, white, and peppermint tea bags. 11. Keep mice at bay. Mice, ants, and spiders do not like the smell of mint. This means that you can use your old mint tea bag as a natural, effective repellent. You can place it in the cabinets, in corners, or by the doors. It is recommended to use peppermint and spearmint tea bags. 12. Relaxation and anti-inflammatory properties. Due to their potent anti-inflammatory properties, tea bags can relax the body and treat tired eyes, toothaches, sunburn, bug bites, blisters, bruises, etc.
You